Hello everyone, my name is Winston Anil Lobo and I am a TEFL teacher in Bangkok, and today to all the teachers out there, I'm going to explain to you how to operate a Google Classroom. I will be telling you today the complete tutorial on Google Classroom, like how to create a classroom, how to delete a classroom, how you will be posting a comment or your timetable or any news you want to share with your students or assignments, and also adding a student and also removing a student. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to click on the App Store, or if you have an Android phone, you need to click on the Play Store and download Google Classroom app. Okay, so I have already downloaded it. If in case you do not have it, the first thing you need to do is download it, and then you need to open the Google Classroom app. Remember, teachers, that your Google Classroom app will automatically open and it will not ask you to sign in. You will already be signed in with your email ID, which is connected to your App Store. Okay, so my classroom already has 3 classes here: statistics, basic maths, and accountancy. And you can see there statistics for 2nd PU, which has 6 students, basic maths has 4 students, and accountancy has 6 students. Well, what does this 3 bars say on your left top screen? It says classes, calendar, statistics, basic maths, accountancy, and all the other things which you do not require. Now, number 1. How do we create a new class? So teachers, you need to press on this plus icon, which is on the right hand side bottom corner. Just click on it. You get 2 options: join class or create class. Well, since you are a new user and you want to create a class, you need to click on create class. And using a classroom at a school with students, you get this notification. All you need to do is put a check mark here and click on continue. Well, now you need to give your class a name. Maybe if you're a grade 1 teacher, you need to type your grade 1. What section is it? A, B, C. If you don't have a section, leave it blank. Let me name it as B now just to fill in. Room number. What room number are the students in? If there is no room number, leave it blank. I don't have a room, so I will leave it blank. And then subject. I'm an English teacher, so I will type the subject as English and then click on create. Well, now that the class is created, automatically this screen will pop up on your phone. So now you see there, it's your grade 1 class and B. So now if you just go back and click on classes, I have 4 classes here: statistics, basic maths, and accountancy. And also I have my grade 1 class here. So I will click on this grade 1 class. Okay, so grade 1 English class. So what do I need to do now? The next part is that I need to invite people. I need to add students to my class. So how do I do it? You need to click on people. So when you click on people, a screen will appear here saying teachers and students. If you have to add a teacher, if you have your co-teacher whom you have to add, you can click on add, type the teacher's email ID, and you can click on invite. I don't have to add any teachers. I'm the only teacher, so I will not add anybody. Now, if I have to add a student, what will I do? I will click on this icon here, add a student, name or email ID. You need to type the name or email ID of the student. Say the name of the student is abc@gmail.com. So you will type abc@gmail.com and you will click on invite. So what happens when you do this is you have already invited abc@gmail.com student to join your class. So that student will get the notification that your teacher has invited you to join grade 1 English classroom. So the student will click on join and will join there. If you have to add more students, you need to continue the same process. Remember, teachers, you need to know your students' email ID. Only then you can type in the email ID of students and click on invite and join them. Well, maybe you have typed an email ID wrong and you need to delete this. What do you need to do? Just click on these 3 dots here and click on remove, so you can remove the student. Well, Is this the only way? Oh my god, I need to add every student again and again and again with their email ID. Is there an easy way for this? Yes, of course there's an easy way. What you need to do is go to your grade 1 classroom. You can see on the right hand side top corner a settings button. Just click on that settings icon. You can see a class code here. Can you see a class code here? C2R6GC2. So this is the class code. What you will do is you can actually type this class code maybe in your WhatsApp group, or in your school you can give it to all your students saying, okay students, you need to copy this code and you need to join the class. So if you give this code to the students will log in from their phone and they will click on join class and they will put this code and directly they can come into your class without you adding them or inviting them. So teachers, remember, there are two ways of adding the students. Number one is go to people and add students individually according to their email ID. If not, the easier way would be you need to go to your grade 1 class, click on settings, look at the under general, look at the class code, copy this class code and post it in your WhatsApp group to the students and tell them to join this classroom with this class code. And then you will have all these students here. Okay, what do we do next? The classroom is created, the students are here. So what can you do next? Next is all about posting a message to the students. So say you need to say to the students, okay, students, please note your class will be at 5 p.m. today. So you can post this message here. Do you want to attach a link? Maybe you are doing a class on Zoom or on Google Meet or on any other platform. You can actually put up the link here. Or you can simply copy paste the same Zoom seminar message or the GeoMeet or any device that you use, any app that you use for hosting your class. You can put the message here and just click on this button. So what will happen is your message is created and all these students can actually read your message. Well, do you want the students also to post here or do you want only the teachers to post here? You can also control that, and where would you control? Click on settings again. Can you see here under general you have stream posting. Okay, so students can comment and post. Students can only comment, teachers can post and comment. Well, I don't want my students to post anything. I want my students to comment, so I will click on students can only comment. So that's okay now. So in this way you can change the settings. If you want to be more flexible, you can write here class name grade 1 English so that it is better for you teachers not to get confused with many students. So now you know when you see your classes here, you have very clearly grade 1 English, and I have 0 students because no students have joined my class yet. Well, next let us click on the classroom and let's see more about Google Classroom. What else can we do? Click on classwork down here. In classwork, I don't have anything yet, okay, but what can we do here? You can click on this plus icon. Once you click on this plus icon, you have so many options. Do you want to give an assignment to the students? Do you want a question? Do you want to post some material or notes? Or do you want to create a new topic? Let's first check that you want to give an assignment to the students. So click on assignment. So you have the title of the assignment here. Say to the grade 1 students, you will say an assignment, my pet animal. So you want the students to write an assignment or an essay on my pet animal. So you will say my pet animal essay. And you can actually give points to them. If you don't want points, you can click on ungraded and click on save. But no, I will want to give my students some points. So maybe it's a 20 points assignment. So I will click on save. It's 20 points. Do you want to put a due date? Okay, students should submit it by 15th of July. Okay, 15th of July and click OK. If you want, you can put the time. Well, I don't want to put any time constraints. And do you want to add a topic? Do you want to tell students that you can only write an essay on a dog, a cat, a cow, or it's up to them? I will give a choice up to them, so no topic, and I will close this. And now, if you have to attach any file here, you can attach it. If you don't have to attach any file, you can just click OK. And now the essay is ready. So what happens is now, whenever students log in and they see this, they will click on Grade 1 English and they will see, okay, teacher has given me a new assignment, my pet animal, an essay. So what can students do is, students can click on it and then they will submit the essay to you. So remember, teachers, this is the way you can create an assignment. Well, what else? Maybe you have to submit some notes. Maybe you have to give some notes to your students. What will you do? Click on material. Click on the title. What notes? Do you want to give notes on lesson 1? So click on lesson 1. What topic? Is it about animals? If you want about the topic, you can write here saying animals, or let me write birds now. Okay, the topic is birds. And if you want any description, you can give it here saying notes for students. Okay, or you can write whatever you want. And now, do you have to attach a notes, right? Maybe you have to attach a file. So if you have to click a photo, you can click on use camera and then click a photo in this way and then use the photo. And well, if you do not want to use the photo, you can just click cancel. I don't want to use the photo. Rather, maybe you have a file to upload. So you will click on attachment, click on the file, go to your drive, and maybe you will upload a file here. So in this way, your file is uploaded. And whether if you do not want to use this file, you can click cancel, or if you want to post this, you can just click on post and your post will be created. So now if you go and see the classes, right? Grade 1 English, teacher has given a new material, lesson 1, new assignment. If you have to put any comments, you can put your comments here, or the students will be commenting here. Okay, your students will be commenting here. So in this way, you can comment. It's very easy, teachers, to use Google Classroom. It is pretty easy. Now say you have done some error and you want to delete this assignment or you want to delete this lesson. You can just click on these 3 dots here and click on delete topic, and the topic will be deleted. Pretty simple. Now, some teachers ask me, I have created an error. I don't want this classroom. Can I delete the entire classroom? Yes, you can delete the entire classroom. So how do you delete the classroom now? Click on classes. Now you have 4 classes here. I want to delete Grade 1 English. You need to click on these 3 dots here. I will click on these 3 dots. There are 2 options, edit and archive. I will click on archive. And then it says archive class. You will say yes, archive it. Now you see your classroom is not deleted. Remember, your classroom is not deleted yet. It is only archived. So where can I find this classroom? Click on these 3 lines on the top left corner. Go to classroom folders. Click on classroom folders. You have the class here, Grade 1 English, which you have archived. Click on these 3 dots here again. Do you want to restore it or do you want to delete it? You can do either of the 2. I would want to delete it. So I will click on delete and the class will be deleted in a short while. Yes, the class is deleted. Now you go and check your classes again. You have just the 3 classrooms. So friends, teachers all out there, this was all about the tutorials of Google Classroom. Now, there will be some teachers who will be asking me how to correct an assignment, how to grade the assignment. Well, I would tell that in my next video. So if you have liked this, please hit the like button, comment if in case you need some doubts or if you have to clarify some doubts, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you and have a nice day, teachers.